It's unboxing day. Today I'm going to be opening these Copic markers, which I managed to purchase in December with a Christmas sale. And they are the entirety of the Copic Ciao collection, so all 180 colors. I started working with alcohol markers a year ago, and I started out with the Ohuhu markers, which you can see here on the left. And I really like them. I think the ink quality is really good and comparable to Copic for that much more of an affordable price point. However, I started to notice that a lot of my Ohuhus were running out of ink, and unfortunately at this time Ohuhu doesn't offer a lot of individual color replacements, and Ohuhus are not refillable, which is the main difference with Copics for me. My plan was to slowly replace the Ohuhus that run out with Copic either Ciao or sketches according to the shade. However, I could not find any kind of color matching guide online, and I don't have a store nearby where I can go and see them. So I decided to make one myself and share with you guys. So in order to be able to make this color matching guide for Ohuhu and Copics, I am going to start swatching all my Copic Ciao shades. I'm going to be using a chart that I found online by Vitus 2017. I'm going to link it in the description as well. I'm probably not the only person who has started their journey into alcohol markers with Ohuhus, because they're a lot more affordable, and I'm definitely not the only one who has then upgraded slowly to Copics. So I hope this guide will be useful. Ciao only offers 180 colors, while Copic Sketch has the entire collection, which is 358. So of course there will be some shades missing. However, I am going to match the Ciaos as close as possible, as they are the cheaper alternative and the sort of entry point for a lot of people into the world of Copics. There's a lot of debate between the pros and cons of both Copic Ciao and Copic Sketches. Of course, if you can afford it, the sketches are the more high-end. Not so much in terms of quality of the ink or the names, which is exactly the same, but the Ciaos don't contain as much ink, so they will require more refill, and there has been some issues with durability. However, the ones that I've had have been pretty good. So I am excited about having the collection and the shades to be able to play with and learn more about Copics. And done! These are all the Copic Ciao colors. I have made a couple mistakes. so don't mind me. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I match them with the Ohuhu colors. But for now, I'm just going to take a break and try them out. Thank you for watching!